What's up, y'all? Breakpoint back. We're going to do a product review on the Yardmax lawnmower. It's model number YG2760. It's a 22-inch self-propelled. Just picked this little baby up at Home Depot. So let's see what we got. So far, so good. There's a lot more in here. Comes with a bag. Not a bad looking bag. You got a filter and some tools, manual, and then let's see. Oh, came with some oil. That's awesome. You got a fin there I'm not going to use. Guys, this is like assembled already, just about. Pretty cool. Yeah. Now we're going to attempt to get this out of the box. Ready? Well, this puppy's ready to go. I really like that. I wasn't expecting that. I thought I was going to have to put some stuff together, but not really. It's got 6 speeds on it, so that's cool. There's a foil on this gas tank here. No. But it's got one of those self-cleaning, so you can hook a water hose up to it and clean your lawnmower blades after your use. So that's pretty cool. Where we live, it's pretty dry here, so you don't have to really worry about rust. So we're going to take advantage of that. Let's see, got your lifter here. Really simple and easy. Yeah, it looks pretty self-explanatory. So guys, Old Bailey is going to give this a test run. We're going to put some oil in it, put some gas in it, fire it up, and we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys. So this is what came with the lawnmower. There's a funnel for your oil. There's something they call a product adapter, some tools, some oil, and the oil is 17 ounces or 0.5 liters. That's what it takes for your oil. It's 1030 and an air filter. Okay, so looking at this housing here, has these little clips you just push down with your thumbs right here, and this thing should just pop out. And it's already got one, so it came with an extra air filter. And the filter that they recommend you replacing every 50 hours of use. Okay, so that's that. That's extra. That's good to know. Then we're going to put, let me swing this around. And then we're going to fill this up with oil. It's got the old dipstick. It's kind of nice. Looks like there's oil in there, guys, but there's no oil. Okay. Specifically says this engine does not come with oil. So we're going to put the oil in. so we don't blow the machine up. Again, it's a half a liter. Or 17 ounces. And it's SAE 10W30 weight. Pretty standard. This lawnmower also is 200 cc's, I believe, 201 cc's, and says it recommends 90 plus octane for gas. So, kind of like the Green Beast over there, my motorcycle. I don't, never heard of that before, but here we go. So the oil's in, and we have an extra air filter. Then we're just gonna put some gas in it. Goes up top, pretty self-explanatory. And then we're gonna go fire it up in the front yard. So we'll be back in a minute. I'm gonna attempt to start it for the first time. First pull. You gotta love that. And just like that, folks, it's cutting grass. So it's one of the reasons why I bought the lawnmower. They said that there's no choke, and it just pulls on the first time. It starts real easy. So all I did was put gas in it, put oil in it. You got the adjusted cable, the pull cord. That's really easy. That's just a little coil there. So other than that, just cutting grass. And this particular lawnmower is a 3-in-1, so it mulches. It's got 6 speeds to walk behind it. So would I recommend this so far? Yeah, it was so easy, just out of the box. You're almost ready to go. I thought I was gonna have to put a lot of stuff together, but no. And so we got our work cut out here. We gotta mow some stuff here. The sun's coming out, and things are starting to bloom and grow again. So life of living on the golf course. So yeah, so we got it set to speed 6, so that's what it looks like. So you don't have to push it; it just does it for you. So all you gotta do is steer, go in reverse every once in a while. It doesn't have reverse, so but it's a walk behind. You don't have to push. All right, guys, we're back testing out the lawnmower again. Yardmax is doing pretty good. We've had some really severe weather down here in the south, and our hearts go out to all those who are engaged in tornadoes. or floods or both. May our governments help us. But we won't hold our breath. When we got to this property out about 6 months ago, we were under a no burn. It was droughty out, so we didn't see a lot of rain. But it's been raining since we brought the rain. It's been raining a lot, so everything's nice and green. Those trees were white before with flowers, but now they're green. Gotta get some bushes out of the way, some sticks. So Bailey, the youngster, don't run over it. So now it's springtime. When we got here, we pressure washed the place. Well, my plan is to gonna pressure wash the deck railing, and it's time to repaint this deck in here. So that will be coming up here shortly. It's a good warm day today. Probably about 85 or more. It's hot for us. Get old Bailey some water. He looks a little peaked, that little youngster. So I'm gonna get him some water because it's hot.
It's really hot.
I'm gonna Bailey some water here because he looks like he's sweating pretty good. Yeah, that water's going down pretty good, isn't it? Done.
Delicious.
Delicious. Just like we like it. So the trees are blooming now. All those leaves are back, boy. We had a bunch of flower trees back here not too long ago, just last week. Now they're all leaves again, for the most part. I'm gonna have to reseed that. I'm unfamiliar with the soil there. It's like sand and that bare patch right there. It's a lot of sand. It seems like. display. So we got the front and the back this time. This is a second cutting, and it's not a bad push mower. So we would recommend it. Yeah, we would recommend this mower. We primarily got it for this little area here, the little areas that we're not going to be able to touch, but the Yardmax, it's holding up, not falling apart. Quick start, 201 cc's. It's definitely got the power. It's got 6 different speeds on it. It's a 6-speed. So overall, folks, I wouldn't shy away from this one. I would actually use this. This is good. This will be in our arsenal. We're ordering a riding lawnmower because we have an outside patch outside the fence as well, and the property just keeps on going to the road out there. So, and then the outside ditches and stuff like that. So we have a lot to mow here, but for small yards and for hill inclines, this is not so bad for a push mower. Walk behind, not really a push mower, it's walk behind. So don't shy away from this Yardmax. We got it at Home Depot. So hope you enjoy yourselves, stay safe, and keep the grind up. And we will see you on the flip side.